Kunafa is trending everywhere, so I am made it super easy to make and eat. First roast sevai with butter until it turns golden brown. Prepare sugar syrup with sugar, saffron, lemon and rose water. For the cream, milk, powdered sugar, cornflour syrup and mozzarella cheese. Creamy and rich. Now the fun part, layering. Sevai, cream, crusted pistachio, then sevai again. Second cup I will making with sugar syrup. Your creamy, juicy kunafa cup is ready to eat. So let's enjoy your kunafa. Bye bye.